In the past, a cost manager, QS, would produce a bill of quants. It may go out to tender and the builder may produce another bill of quantities. The subcontractors may produce their own schedules of rates. So we believe that to embed all the quantities information within a model at an early sort of common data environment stage in a collaborative manner where everyone has access to the model should enable one set of common data to be used throughout the project, rather than in the past a contractor may have produced a bill of quants, an M&E contractor or consultant may have produced a schedule of rates, the QS might have produced a bill of quants or a cost plan, and that's 4 or 5 times the work that is absolutely that potentially could be necessary to produce that cost data. Working collaboratively in design team meetings, then you can be working with real-time changes. The architect could be designing as you sit in a meeting. You can be potentially working towards, with the various pieces of software that each individual consultant has, potentially working towards reporting and producing change management there and then in a meeting. That's the sort of holy grail in terms of collaboration and working in BIM. We recognise that the design teams are trying to get to the front of their curves on their BIM journeys, and that from architects, structural engineers and M&E consultants, they've all got different previous experience with working with models. Structural engineers have been working with models for years. Architects have been working in Revit and with models for a long time. They're just starting to begin to structure their models for the first time, and we want to make sure that we work with them at a very early stage in their BIM journey such that they can structure their models which can produce the outputs that the client needs, which invariably means working towards industry standards such as digital plan of works or NRM, or just working with the NBS to make sure that models aren't produced without thought to cost. Therefore, consistent quantities should be able to be produced from their models in line with industry standards such as NRM.